All right, this video says the starting annual salary for office worker at the company is $29,000. All right, and if the company has an annual increase of 6.2, which graph models the situation after the office worker receives an annual increase? Now, that might look to us, so we're going to pick which graph represents this. And we have, let's see, we have two exponentials graphs, and then we have two graphs that look linear. So talking about in terms of this might look, when we're talking about the word problem, we might think that this is an exponential function. However, it's not. The biggest reason we can discount the exponential function, if this was an exponential function, that would be y is equal to 29,000 times our b value, which would be 1 plus 0.0, let's see, hold on, 6.2 divided by 100, which would be 0.062 to the power of x. Okay, now if that's the case, that means that that's going to discount C and D because they both have a starting salary in the 5,000. So we can, even if it is an exponential function, we can discount C and D. Now let's look and think about in terms of our answer choice, B or A. Well, in year one, all right, let's see. I'm going to graph this and I'm going to put this in my calculator. Let's see. If we have, so if we talk about this being an exponential, that's going to be y is equal to 29,000 times 1.062 to the power of x. So that means after 1 year, because our y-intercepts look the same on both of these. So after 1 year, that's going to be 29,000 times 1.062. So that's going to give us 30,700. So that'd be here at 1. Whoops. So if I go to 1 year, that means in 1 year it should be somewhere down here if this was an exponential. So that actually will not, that discounts B right there. So actually, if we were talking about even if this is an exponential and it looks linear, this equation actually might not actually be linear in terms of looking at it, because after 1 year, talking about getting a salary of only 30,000, because if we write, so y is equal to 29,000 times 1.62, 1.062 to the power of 1, that would give us 30,798, which is actually close to where it's at. So our answer choice is, in fact, A. All right. Number 10. All right. So we're looking for the expression, and we need to simplify. All right. We're dividing, so I'm going to look at the same base, and I'm going to simplify 14 divided by 8. So 14 will go, 2 will go into 14 7 times, and 2 will go into 8 4 times. So I can reduce that to that. 8, a to the 4th power minus negative 2 will give us a 4. That becomes positive, so that'll be a to the 7th. So that goes on top. Now let's look. Can I eliminate anything? Actually, that's 6, not 7. A is 6. So I can actually eliminate that, I can eliminate that, I can eliminate that. So my answer choice is H. So I got the answer right away. But let's double check. Let's check the rest of it. So we have B to the 6 minus 3. That's going to give us B to the 3rd, which is what we want. Then we have C to the negative 10 plus 5, which is going to give us C to the negative 5. So then that C to the 5 is going to go to the bottom, which that matches. That works. So we are good in terms of that. All right, I'll see you in the next video.